Hi everyone, welcome back to Vital Fair Living. I'm Chitra. In this video, we will be planting some rare species of tomatoes in our greenhouse and removing this banana tree which has creeped in from outside and generally clearing up the greenhouse area to prepare for planting. If you have planted a banana tree, you can start a new tree with just the stem and the roots can spread across and start new trees too. So this is the situation we had inside the greenhouse. Last year we didn't pay much attention to it, but it has grown considerably tall and this is going to reduce the sunlight inside the greenhouse. So we are uprooting this tree. We have a few banana trees behind the greenhouse. So far it was not a problem, but now you see this has really removed the sunlight and last year we didn't have that great a harvest too. You see him removing out some of the potatoes which were planted a couple of years back. They start to grow again, but we are not going to be planting the potatoes here. This has left a big hole, so we will be filling up this. I'll have to apologize for a little bit of a shaky footage because I was filming freehand. There was not enough space to put in the tripod and it was really inconvenient. Here we'll also be removing some of the older vegetables which we were planting last year. These buttercups are outside the greenhouse. We will be clearing this at a later date. Here a couple of potatoes from previous year's planting. They are not huge, so there's no point in replanting them. In Switzerland, we have a movement called Prospecie Rara. This is like a club which collects the seeds and cultivates a lot of these very rare varieties of potatoes, tomatoes, and all kinds of vegetables. They're all organic. We started to plant of late a lot of these. Here we are going to be planting a few of the rare species of tomatoes. And one of them is called Berner Rose. If you are living in Switzerland, this is one tomato you should plant. It's quite fleshy and it's really tasty too. And we are also planting a couple of salad tomatoes. One of them is also a darkish shade. And a couple of hot chilies. The chilies from our own seeds are not very hot anymore. They have mutated, so we are going to be planting new ones. And here we also have a couple of cucumbers. I personally like this Nostrano variety. And this is the Swiss chard which we planted in the front yard. For irrigation, we are going to use these pipes and this will be the snip and drip irrigation system which will irrigate in a very soft way without flooding the whole greenhouse. This at the back white, in the front it is brown, is a big spider. It is full of thousands of eggs at the back. This one over here is a lemon tree. We planted this last year. It was previously in a pot and we transferred it to the greenhouse, and it has done well even during the winter months.
Don't ask me if after carrots, tomatoes, a good idea. Yes?
Our sweet corn saplings, which you saw us planting in our last video. With this, I end my video. We are trying to clear up the soil in other parts of the garden, but it has been really a very rainy last few days. So hopefully we can get back to it very soon. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.